Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about some of my icon design philosophies that I always follow while designing icons. I've been designing for quite a while now, and I always follow some of these rules for myself. And let's just get right into it. So when designing icons, I always leave like at least 3 pixels space on all the sides. So, but it's not always, it doesn't work always. So for maybe something, this has 3 pixels, this also has 3 pixels. Let's find something that won't have 3 pixels. But yeah, that is one of the philosophy that I follow. Like have like lots of empty space at the edges, which is mostly for like having a good space between one icon and the another. When rendering in websites, I wanted some good space between them, so I have like 3 pixels at the most when I'm designing. But it obviously changes if it's a bigger icon, if it needs more space at the end. I'll don't do that. Maybe this has 2 pixels. Yeah, so this is like a diamond form, but if I reduce the height of it, it won't match well with the other things here. So yeah, this has a visual of just 2 pixels, but most of the time I try to have at least 2 or 3 pixels gap on all the sides. And of course all icons are 24 cross 24 pixels, so with this 24 height is 24 always. I think most of the like web-based icon tags do that, except for like phosphor icons. They have like a bigger scale to play with, but most of the icon tag has 24 cross 24, and that's what I do. And going in, all the stroke width is 1.5 pixels everywhere. So I use 1.5 pixels because it's even in small sizes it looks good. But I know lucid icons has like a 2 pixel width, which is like a tad stronger for me. But I've been thinking about having like a 2 pixels variant. So so this will be my regular, this will be the solid, and I was thinking about having a bold variant with 2 pixels thing. But yeah, normally I go for 1.5 pixels, which works perfectly. And all the round is round cap, and all, nothing will be in like a square like this. Everything all the joints are round, and all the endpoints are round which here. So I just have a plugin to change everything if I need it. But yes, it will always be rounded, and everything is center stroked like this. So it's always in the center if if it's a stroke. And if it's just like a solid icon, it's a filled icon, so nothing changes much. But if it's so solid icons are all filled icons, nothing has a stroke here. And regular like line icons are all strokes, nothing is fill here. So if you check any icon, everything will be stroke only, nothing will be fill. So that's just some difference that I maintain between the two things. And I think the gaps between everything should be higher as much as possible. So this is something that I haven't like followed that much, but the gaps between here, they should be like at least 2 or 3 pixels. But it's hard, that it's like a not really hard, but like slightly hard to follow and have like good design aesthetics. So I'm sure trying to follow that. But most of the designing is just looking for optical just looking for like some optical alignment. If everything looks good, and I just zoom it out like as much as I can and see it. If it looks good, that's basically it. And I don't try to center everything as much as possible. Most of the things are centered, but I try to optically align it as much as possible and center it. So whatever the optical alignment is perfect, that I'll leave it at that, and then if it's possible I'll try to center it, otherwise the optical alignment is fine. And yeah, basically that's it. I try to have like simple icons. Even this is like a little much going on for me, so I'll probably update this to like even more simpler version. So I try to have like very small level of detail, and still represent what it is as much as possible. But yeah, that's it. I try to keep everything like pixel perfect. Everything is like a single icon, line, and it's not overlapping. It's not it's not every line is like joined together. It's just separate lines, so that you programmatically you can update it. Even if you want have one as have one as a different stroke width, have a background here and code if you want. So I don't do anything like that. So that's it. While exporting, I just select everything, select the simple icons, exported, have some other scripts to clean it. Already made a video on that, on how I clean up the SVGs. But yeah, that's it for here. I'll leave a link to the community Figma file that I have, which has all these icons for free, so you can try it out. But yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.